Ever wondered how to create cards that look perfect on any screen size? Today I'll show you exactly how to do that in Figma. This is part 2 of our responsive design series where we'll be creating adaptive cards. As always, we'll be using the free version of Figma so everyone can follow along, and you can download the starter file from the description below. Alright, let's get started. We've got two different cards here, so let's start with the first one. It's a simple photo card with a title and subtitle, so I'm gonna just use constraints. I'm gonna grab the photo, this delicious dessert, which is currently pinned to the top left. Let's adjust the constraints to center and top to improve responsiveness. Okay, now we're gonna update the constraints for the title, setting it to the center. For the subtitle, the price, we're gonna set the constraint to the center and bottom. That's already looking better, but let's make one more tweak to improve it even more. I'm gonna grab the photo again and switch the constraints from center to scale. This way, it behaves even better across different sizes. Alright, let's move on to the next card. For the second card, we'll be using auto layout. To start, I'm gonna grab the bottom elements and the orange background and drag them outside the card frame. This helps us treat related elements as a container, allowing them to respond together. Now I'm gonna select the button and the order count, then hit the auto layout or Shift A. Next, I'm gonna grab our new frame and the price and apply auto layout again. Let's fill it with that orange color we had before, and now we can delete the old background. Let's add 32 pixels of padding on the top and bottom and 52 on the left and right. We are starting to get some responsiveness here, but if I stretch it out, you'll notice things aren't moving as they should. When we select this frame and check the options, you'll see everything is aligned to the left. Let's double click to distribute the elements evenly to the center. Now let's head back to the card. I'm gonna take the title, paragraph and photo, drag them outside the card frame and hit Shift A to apply auto layout. Let's add 32 pixels of padding on all sides and give it a white background. Now things are looking more responsive, but we still have some issue when it comes to smaller sizes. To fix this, I'm gonna select the text elements, go to the auto layout setting and change the width from fixed to fill container. Now if I stretch it, you'll see that everything adjusts responsively. Alright, let's go back to our order frame. I'll drag it right below this frame and match the sizes. I'm gonna grab both frames and apply auto layout and give it a white color. We want it to stick to the bottom, so let's double click to distribute the content evenly. But we still have some issue on smaller screens, so let's fix that. I'm gonna wrap the order frame, change the padding to 20 pixels for both top and bottom, and align everything to the center. And voila! A fully responsive card that you can use it in all sorts of projects. Oh, and one last thing. Let's add rounded corners to the top right and bottom left of the frame. Don't forget to check clip content to make sure everything looks right. I hope you learned something new about adaptive cards and responsive design in Figma. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more UI UX content. Drop your questions in the comment. I read every single one and love hearing from you. Until next time, keep designing, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.